Hello guys, just on my way to some waterfalls. So they're supposed to be quite good, I've heard. So there are two sets of waterfalls here, one in either direction. So these ones are about 4k, 5k from where I'm staying. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. See what we see. So the walk follows the main highway, but it's got a nice backdrop. It's a nice walk. One little tiny thing that's annoying is the big lorries that just come whizzing past. Very noisy, but it's a beautiful walk. Nice to get out of Rishikesh a bit. Hello. One student ticket.
You are new?
So the neer waterfall is 50 for a foreigner, or if you've got a student card it's 30. I can hear it, must be closed. So it's taken about half an hour to get to this point so far. If you had a scooter, you can just drive up to this point. And now they told me it's about another 20 minutes uphill to the waterfall. Let's go. So apparently this is the waterfall. You keep going up, but that just goes to a temple. Not as big as I thought it was going to be. Still nice though, not really swimmable, but yeah, nice, a little bit hot. Flip-flops are a hard choice of shoes to go down. Overall, nice little waterfall. Not quite Iguazu, but yeah, still nice. Gorgeous views though going down. Didn't notice them coming up so much, but going back down. Nice and high up in the valley. Beautiful. So today's video is going to be pretty short, so I thought I'd use it as a good opportunity to tell you about my travel plans for the next couple of months. So I'm leaving tomorrow for Amritsar because I want to be there for Diwali, and then I have about 2.5 weeks after that to do Shimla, Dharamsala, and maybe one other place up in that area. I'll then head back to Delhi, where I then take a flight to Chennai for a couple of days, and then from there I'm going to be spending 3 weeks in the Andaman Islands. So the Andaman Islands are very remote. There will not be vlogs because there is no internet access except for a couple of places on the main sort of city there. So what I'll probably do is, up until then, I'll start spacing the videos out, so one every 2-3 days rather than one every day. That way there won't be a huge 3-week gap between videos. So that takes me up until about early to mid-December. Then from there, when I fly back to Chennai from the Andaman, I will be going to Mumbai. And the only reason I'm going to Mumbai is to acquire a Chinese visa. So the plan after India is to head to China. So I think that'll take probably about a week to sort out, and then I'll be heading to Goa for a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, and then from there I'll fly to China, and that'll be at the beginning of 2017. So that's the next couple of months sort of taken care of. In total that'd be about 4 months in India, which I think is a good sort of amount of time. Ready to move on, but there's still plenty more to see if I want to come back. I've got a year visa that runs up until next July. So if I want to, I can always come back. But yeah, so plan is China for 2017, and I think I'll be there for 1 to 2 months, and then after that, who knows, we will see. So it's about 4 PM now. It'll take me a good hour and a half to get myself back to Laxmanjula. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I am looking forward to heading to Amritsar next. Bye!